From the past 3 years, the way we are accessing the information in our devices has drastically changed. We have Netflix recommending the TV shows which somehow matches our taste. We have advanced devices which does what we command.
Alexa, play Magenta Rhythm.
Here's Magenta Rhythm by DJ Snake on Amazon Music.
We have some cars which can drive itself without a human driver. And we have Google Maps which somehow identifies the best possible route to reach our office in any busy day. First, you might have thought there is some kind of robot who is doing all this complex work, just like what we have seen in science fiction movies. But once you do some research about these small wonders around us, you will stumble upon 3 terms: data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. We have seen people using these terms quite often to describe similar things. But there is a subtle difference between them. In this video, I have simplified its definition so that you know the difference when you hear its name in the next time. These days, there is nothing wrong in saying that world is sitting on gold mine of data. Each interaction we do with our devices, be it searching a product on Amazon, watching videos on YouTube, browsing the internet, posting the status on social media, we are generating huge amounts of data. All this data will be of no use if we don't know what to do with this data. The field data science is the one which produces insights of large data. It is just like what we humans do. Instead of simply using our thoughts, we derive an insight in data science with the combination of statistics, software engineering, and domain expertise so that we as humans can benefit. This is just like Google Maps using the data science to recommend the driving directions. Next comes machine learning. Machine learning is the field which produces predictions. Suppose I have a list of features, and with the use of machine learning techniques, we predict the required action. An example can be predicting an image whether it has a bird in it. In real-world example, we have seen Netflix employing the machine learning algorithms to show the recommendations tailor-made for individual users. Even Google search engine employs the machine learning techniques to show the search results which are relevant to individual user. Moving on, next is artificial intelligence. I think this is by far the most known term ever since our childhood through the Hollywood movies. We have seen AI in many movies like Terminator, iRobot, Matrix, etc. To make it simple, I can say that artificial intelligence is an autonomous agent that executes the action. Remember the term here, executing the action. It is just like Siri performing as per our voice command, or Alexa playing the song we requested, or the chatbot answering our query. Before I complete this video, let me share the case study as how these 3 fields are applied together. Let's say we are building a self-driving car and we are having issues in stopping at stop signs. In that case, we use machine learning models so that the car can predict the street side objects which has a stop sign in it using the cameras attached in them. We use the artificial intelligence to recognize the stop sign and take action to apply the brakes. And we use the data science to gain insights on the performance of the car like speed, effectivity of stop signs, etc. I hope this short video gave you an insight on difference between data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Data science produces the insights, machine learning produces the predictions, and artificial intelligence which performs the action. Click the link in description to download the free data science learning materials. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel to learn the future technologies.